Here's how to fix a black screen on your iPhone camera. Now, if you open up the iPhone camera and it just looks like this, completely black, it can't see anything, there are a few different ways that you can get that fixed. The first thing that we'll do is check to see if there's a physical obstruction on the camera itself. Maybe the case is covering it or something. It sounds simple, but just make sure that something is not covering it. The second thing we'll do is get into your settings. Once we're in your settings, we'll scroll down until we get to General, midway down, tap on that, and then scroll down to the very bottom, tap on the Shutdown button. So just turn off your phone and restart it. You'd be surprised how many times turning your phone off and restarting it fixes it. But if that doesn't fix it, the next thing I would recommend doing is swiping up and over and closing out of all of your current apps. Now, let's say if that camera doesn't work on one app, try a different app. So if it doesn't work in the camera app, try to hop out of here, open up the Instagram app, tap on the plus at the bottom center and the camera, and see if it works in the Instagram app itself. It might be an issue with that specific app that you're currently using. If it's not an issue with that, let's go into the settings again. And from the settings, we'll scroll down, tap on General, and then Software Update. There could be a bug or glitch in the iOS operating system, so just update to the latest version and see if that fixes it. Now, the last thing I would recommend doing is going back out of here, still within the General section of your settings. And from here, let's just scroll down to the very bottom. You can see at the very bottom is Transfer or Reset iPhone. Let's just tap on that, and let's just tap on Reset. You can always at the very top hit the reset all settings here and then go through the process of resetting all those settings if you don't have a security delay. I currently have one. Now keep in mind, after you go through all these steps, if there still is an issue, it could be a hardware issue with the camera itself. So you might need to take it into an Apple store or an authorized retailer to have them run some diagnostics and see if they have to fix the actual camera hardware.